Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll show you how to acquire a Skype number in about 5 minutes. Whether you're establishing a professional line or protecting your personal contact info, a Skype number is a great tool that's easy to set up. Begin by visiting the official Skype site and selecting the Open Skype in Browser option. You'll need to log into your account first, as having an active profile is required before making a purchase. After signing in, look at the interface for the three-dot icon, which serves as your main menu. Click those dots and choose Settings from the list. The layout is very user-friendly, so finding this should be simple. Inside the Settings menu, locate the Skype Number section and hit the Get button. One major benefit is picking a number from various countries, which is perfect for international business or staying in touch with global contacts. Select the country that fits your requirements. After choosing your country, press the Continue button. You'll need to click Continue again to confirm your choice. Now, enter your credit card information carefully to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Finally, click Pay Now to complete the purchase. Congratulations, your new Skype number is ready. You can now share it for work or personal use while keeping your private number hidden. Manage features like call forwarding and voicemail directly within your Skype settings. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.